Today I'm going to explain more about the denim or jeans pattern. I'm using pattern 244, 245, 2008. It's marked, the year of the pattern is marked at the back of the pattern with copyright by Moeder Verlaag Lutelo MMV111, means 2008. We're going to talk about the front first. When we do the denim, it's only hip measurements that we're going to use. So I've done all my dots. I've taken my pattern off. I've marked where the cross is on my pattern, and then I just joined the dots. So wherever I get a straight line, I just do a straight line. If I get a little bit of a curved line, I just angle it and do my curve there. The pocket is a bit more severe, so just there, and then I just swivel it around and go there. My side seam is just moving this up and down, and I'll get those three in. The bottom three ones are just straight, joining the dots. So if I do my side seam, I'll do those three, and then I just flip my ruler and I do that one. The inside leg again, I just move this up and down until I get all of those in, three of them. The crotch, just a curve bit there, and then straight from there to there. Now all we need to is transfer all the small detail from our small pattern to our big pattern. To get our grain line, we measure half our hemline and then square it up. Now what I mean by squaring it up is, if you look, that little line is right angled to that line or perpendicular to it, means it's squared. So what I do is I actually put this on there. I made a dot where that half mark is, and I've got my line going there, and I just draw a line. So that will be square. Then I just extend my grain line. I like to do a nice long grain line on my trousers. It just makes it easier when you put it on your fabric. Put it correctly, sew it nicely. It doesn't go crooked. Another thing that's on your little pattern, on the side seam here, it says CA 18 centimeters. Now CA means approximate, so this is approximate 18 centimeters, and that's just for the shorter version of the actual denim. So you just measure 18, square it again, place it on that line, do a line there, and that will be your shorter version. On the actual pattern, you will see there's a little circle with the number 245. All it means is it's the trousers 245, and it's the shorter one. Now if we get to our fly front, we need to mark our little center front line. There's a little dotted line there and a VM. VM means center front. So just parallel to this line, going from that dot to the top, I just mark it, and that will be my center front line. That goes to the center front of your body when you measure it. Now in the Lutelo system, this little flap is in various sizes. I like mine to be 4 centimeters, so I got into the habit of making mine 4 while I'm still at the drawing stage. So I just measure 4 from there, draw a line, and I extend it a little bit. Sometimes it's really, this one is 3 centimeters, so it's not too bad, but sometimes it's only 1 centimeter. It's ridiculous to sew with, so that's why I like to do that. Another thing that I mark on my patterns is all the A, B's and C's that you can see on your pattern. On the front we've got an A there. All it means is it's going to match up with the A of the pocket. So that is like notches, so I like to mark them as well. And then I mark AZ, which means front trousers, the pattern number, the year of the pattern, and my hip number. Just because we change so much, we're just women.